Hello everyone, my name is Marcela. I'm a music producer and songwriter. I'm from Colombia, but I've been based in London for the last 10 years plus. I specialize in pop music, dance music, and reggaeton, and today I'm going to show you how I make a reggaeton track. Reggaeton is quite slow. Usually the BPM used is between 80, 85 to 95, between that range. Reggaeton originally comes from Puerto Rico, but in the last few years, Colombia has adapted reggaeton as its own, bringing a new, fresh, more commercial sound, which has been taken off a lot around the globe. So I want to teach you how we make a reggaeton song. Basically, we start 4 elements. We start with chords, melody, beat, and bass. What's important here is that the beat has to have a certain kind of beats called dembow, which is ban ta ta tan ta 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 tan ta. You'll see. Once I have the chords, I choose a sound, which I can spend a lot of time looking for the correct sound. Once I have it, I start with a loop. After that, I make the beat. I start playing with different loops, try to find different sounds and then mesh them together to create new sound. So once I've got a reggaeton beat that I like, after I've edited and I've changed certain sounds and certain stuff, I add another layer for the kick drum, so it makes it a little bit fatter. And then we can add some percussion if it's needed. The beat we have, reggaeton beat, kick, that kick with a little bit of maraca sound at the end, and we've got this other beat, and together this is how it sounds. So this alone. If we get the kick, it's more punchy. When the other beat comes in, just gives it groove. It's nice. I'm a really big fan of Nexus. I think it's a fantastic synthesizer which I use a lot. I really love the sequence presets which have lots of layers, so I can see what kind of sounds, and I start layering off like an onion. I also love Output stuff. I think Output has some really good engines and synthesizers as well as effects. I really enjoy using the Portal for some ear candy. I think it has some amazing things and I really like playing with it. So the intro, we start very slowly and we start introducing new sounds. Then we put another piano and now we introduce bass and the beat. So now we have chords, melody, beat and bass. These are the elements that make the instrumental track. So now the structure. We start with a pad, ambient pad. So we start the intro with our arpeggiator and the piano. Slowly, and then we get on with the low piano, so we have the arp. Just the arp and high piano, right? So we have intro, and then that would be first verse. That would lead up to the chorus, which will bring in bass and beat. Everything together. Now it sounds like a track. It needs vocals, but now you can feel it. Again, then after the chorus, we drop. We've got only the arp, and now piano's coming in. Piano and bass. Now that you know how a reggaeton track is made, what do you think? Do you have any questions? Follow us on our social media. Down here, Marcela A Music and Music Production for Women. See you soon.